Are you at a loss for packaging solutions for your products? Choosing the right supplier can completely solve all your concerns. HRB Pack Group, where innovation meets efficiency in packaging solutions. At HRB Pack Group, we specialize in producing and selling top-of-the-line Flexo folder gluer casemaker box lines. Our state-of-the-art technology ensures that your packaging needs are met with precision and speed. Our Flexo folder gluer machines are designed for versatility, allowing you to create a variety of box styles with ease. Whether you're in the food, electronics, or retail industry, we have the perfect solution for you. But that's not all. We also manufacture high-quality corrugated cardboard production lines. Our machines are engineered to optimize production efficiency, ensuring you get the best output while minimizing waste. From flute laminators to stitching and die-cutting machines, HRB Pack Group offers a comprehensive range of Euro-standard carton machinery. Our equipment is designed to meet the highest international standards, making us a trusted partner for customers around the globe. But we don't just stop at manufacturing. We ensure every step of our process meets the highest quality standards. With a comprehensive quality management system in place, we conduct thorough raw material inspections and adhere to strict process standards. This means you can trust that every machine we produce is built to last. Innovation is key to our success. Our research and development team is constantly working on quality improvement plans to bring you the latest advancements in carton machinery. With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, we proudly serve clients worldwide. No matter where you are, HRB Pack Group is ready to support your packaging needs with our cutting-edge technology and expert service.